Morning, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. This is October the 4th, 2022. I'm going to combine a couple videos real together to help the members of here because we're getting ready to hit 30,000 members, which when I go into the specs and all of the system, there's 16 to 17,000 people continuously on it. And that's pretty good number. So I want to thank you. First, let's bring up how to post. But before you post, you need to learn how to use the search option. So that's really first. So when you use the search option up above the magnifying glass, I'm going to go over it with you. All right, so you got right there, Facebook search option, Rvdiagnostics. I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to type in hot water heater. So I typed in hot water heater, Atwood. So that would help you to know your model. Atwood, Suburban, whatever. There's all kind of models. And the part number of it, model number. Manufacturer's Atwood, model number would be a 106XG or something, all kind of. So we're going to hit enter. Now what it does, it brings up all the people that did it. I have a question about my water heater, if anyone could help. I have a new to me travel trailer Atwood gas water heater. So if you can define what you got, all right, so right here, what is my best water heater putting cold and then hot at the shower fix? Is a one-way check valve heater. It's contaminated crud allowing cold in the hot line. Replaced it, all good now, feeling happy. Now on this one, I just helped this lady. So if you see me message you saying, hey, hi, I'm Jeff, the founder of Rvdiagnostics. So she bought this 97 and it was plumbed wrong and all that, but we did it step by step and helped her and got her back on. So using the search really helps you identify stuff. So we'll bring it over here. All right, I'll put it on pause. Well, wait a minute, here, we can do it. All right, now watch. You got 31 comments. You go to the comments. You can see everybody that did it. Now look, I asked her to please post pictures of everything we did. So that will be very helpful, right? Because she didn't get hot water. You read this and update. It was the fix. So she went back, updated. How do you do that? Well, you hit these three little dots, right? And then it says, turn off comment, remove page, save post, report. So she's already canceled this one out, okay? Because it's done, it's fixed. Well, that's how you use the search option, folks. All right, now the search option will work better if you put the make and the model, not of the RV, unless you're having a problem with the RV, like an F-53 chassis, a GM workhorse, a Freightliner, Spartan, Caterpillar engine, C7 through C12, what's the other one? Cummins, known for lift pump problems and high pressure pump problems. So this will help you. And it gets old after a while because I'm on that page to help people. I do work on RVs. This is my shop. Okay, I just cleaned this all out because I'm getting ready to put my hydronic garden in for the winter. Right here's a new one in. It's an LP generator. I'll be doing that, making a video on it. It's a Safari diesel pusher. Yeah, I even fixed lawnmowers. I'm waiting for my grandson. He's going to help me on that one. The wheel fell off. And it's electric start, self-propelled. But, okay, back to what we were saying. One, before you post, go to the search option. If you don't know the make and the model of the component that's defective, then probably you shouldn't even post. Now, I hope you don't take that wrong. But my monitors and all are here to help you and other people. And we're wasting a lot of time. You want to learn your RV. Okay? So one, use the search option. Before you do that, write down what it is, what component, what's the model number, maybe serial number. You can take pictures and all that later. But then you look it up on search. Let's say you searched a bunch of them because the people did not close them out with the fix. It won't work if you don't put the fix down. I'm not mad. I'm just saying I gotta, I guess, yell at you or something to get you to, this page is awesome. It will work. And from 4 years ago, I designed this page to do this. But here we are 4 years later, 80% of you still, you find out what's wrong. You go, oh, okay, I got help. And then you don't even post what the fix was to help others. So I'm at the point where I'm going to start deleting the post. And then there's specs on that. I can see how many times I deleted Jeffrey Malatesta, me. And eventually, I'll just get rid of the people. Because it is powerful. Facebook can be used for good or bad. And I've learned that RVs are, they're trying sometimes. You know, yes, I own a 99 Beaver, you know, and yes, it's a diesel. Yes, it's this. Yes, but I know every component on it. And I studied it. Okay. Yes, I do it for a living, but you are in a jam. You need to get out of that campground. So 1, look it up on the search option. 2, before you have it, make sure you have the right component and the model number. 3, if you don't find nothing within a couple posts because somebody didn't do the job right, edit it and put the fix, which I went over, the 3 dots. Then post it. When you post it, make sure you put the model, the make, and the model. You know, toe tickler F829. Left toe tickler, not tickling toes. You know, there's so many components, folks. I can't put them all on there. So you can, because it's your RV. That's another thing. You are responsible for your RV. You should know it inside and out. If you've had it for 3 years, my God, and you don't know where the hydraulic lift pump is for the leveling system, that's telling me that I guess you had better things in life to do. I don't know. When I own a $100,000 plus coach, Jeffrey's learning where everything is, all right? Because I ain't got that kind of money. There was $300,000 back in 99. I ain't got that kind of money to go buy a $1 million coach again. So I got to keep mine running. I like to go camping. When I go camping, if you do preventive maintenance before you go camping, then most likely you'll have a better camping trip. All right. Now, so we went over it. 1, before you post, use the search. 2, if you have to post, make sure you put the model and make of the component. Hot water heater, propane heater, hydronic heater, leveling system, lights inside the coach, which then maybe, you know, you put down that it was a, you know, 2008 Fleetwood, whatever model it is. And then if it's chassis or engine, make sure you put it's an F53 GM workhorse. You're getting my drift. All right, now let's move on to the next one. There's a file section on here, okay, with thousands of files on information. And, you know, I go look at the specs on that. Out of the 16, I don't know, let me see, 16, 17,000 people continuously watching and people posting for help, only 2% of you use the file section. So that's telling me, 1, you might not know. 2, you're here, we're going to learn. Here we go. All right, I'm going to turn it around, put you on pause, and set it up. Okay, so all right, there we are. So we go back to the main page. This is how it's set up for me. And across is the pull-down menus: videos, topics, your items, members, files. So we're gonna access the file section. Okay. There you go. So single disconnect IntelliTech house relay was put by me on September 23rd. Now watch, 2022. I'm going to show you when the first file was put in. I'll put it on pause. We're going to use this pulled. Oh, it is a touchscreen. Oh, that's right. My old one from 20 years ago finally burned up. All right, so we're going. We're back to 2022. Let me put you on pause. All right, so the first one that was posted was April the 25th, 2019. Probably even before that. Let me see. We'll try it one more time. Nope. So, folks, there's all kind of them, all right? There's an Onan service manual for an HGJAB, September 24th, by Nick Spence. See, Nick loaded up a few. John Hatch. There's me. There's thousands in there. Here's the F53. There's a complete wiring diagram. Nick put them on there, but I got a complete set further up the line. There's Atwood heating system schematic. Folks, please learn how to use the file section. Even the videos. I download my videos from my YouTube channel. All right. So if you didn't join that, what are you going to do? So I'm at, I don't know, 4,500, 46, 47, 4,800 members. So until I reach 6,000, I'll be giving away free $400 worth of tools or cash. I'm also going to give away 2 free memberships. That's 3 people that can win, 3 chances for 2 memberships to my website where I do one-on-one. That's $112 value. The first time you use me, you save $150. I don't know why people ain't joining it. They are, but some of them are like, I ain't gonna pay you $112. Okay, then call an RV Tech. Trust me, folks. Go to the website and look at the testimonial videos. Man, these people are learning their RVs left and right. After a year and a half with them, they are the bomb. They don't even need me no more. For some reason, they keep joining. I appreciate it. But Uncle Sugar appreciates it too for tax money. Okay, so there we go. We got it. 1, use the search option. 2, if you can't find out, then post it. Make sure you put the model and the component, model, Atwood heater, component, blah, 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 number. 3, folks, and when you find a solution, please go back, edit it. Now, I'm going to do that for you. Here we go. Even on the Facebook page, up in the one section right below the search, I put in how to edit it. So some of you need to oh man, I have to cut myself bad shape. Here we go. So here it is. That's me. Members, please start editing your post with update, repair, and finding. This is how you do it. So I'm going to bring that post up. Here we go. There it is. Okay, wait. Now notice right here, it has 3 dots. Let's say I wanted to change something. There you go. 3 dots, edit the post. Okay, I don't want to edit today though, but there you are. So I would go in here, edit, and put on here, fixed. It'll be right before this. It'll say fixed. Toe tickler, left toe tickler, found bad wire, pin number 22, purple. Whatever it took. But this is actually showing you how to do it, folks. So the page is damn near 95% self-sufficient. You don't even have to ask questions on here. Use the system. Use the search. Use the video section. Use the file. And if through all that you have not got an answer, well, I understand some of you don't know how to use a multimeter. I have a YouTube channel, 460-some videos later, and people are joining left and right. God bless you. Thank you very much. I'm just trying to get everybody on the same sheet of music. 1, to save your money. 2, to save aggravation. But I can't do it unless you follow certain instructions about the Facebook page, which just benefits you anyway. That saves you hundreds and thousands of dollars on your RV. What I got to do? Fly out to where you're at and fix the thing for you? It's like, folks, I do it for a living. All right. Anyway, hopefully you got it. Ready? So let me see what my next subject is. File, posting a fix, search, posting make, model. That's pretty much it. All right. So you got it. Please watch this video. I'm going to post it on the Rvdiagnostics Troubleshooting Facebook page. Please put down below that you watched this video and you're going to learn how to navigate this Facebook page. please accept that you have to put the make and model, not of the RV, but of the component you're talking about is bad. Please, before you do that, use the search. Please, before you do that, look at the file section. There's information in there. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Don't forget, I have a school and a garage, repair garage down here in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Thank you very much. And thank you for listening to me rant a little bit. I'm just trying to save you money.